In this video, I'm going to explain how to make a payment to Oportun. So first thing you want to do is, of course, select which method you would like to use. So there's a few that they've got, and over here on their website, it is showed perfectly. So the first way to do it is to pay in their app. So you can just download their app on your mobile device and then make a payment in there. So that's the first way. And then the second way over here is you can also text them. So as you can see, if you're a member, you can just text their bot using the phone number which is associated with your account, and it can answer simple questions like what your loan balance is, your next due date, and payment amount, and it can even accept payments. Okay, so as you can see over here, they have a bot available on this number over here, and if you would like to make a payment and not use their mobile app, this is the way you can do it. So just text them to this number with your phone number associated with your account. Okay, so that's pretty much it when it comes to the basic payment options. However, over here, as you can see, you have more payment options as well. So you have different ones also. You can do it online by logging in your service account through Oportun. And then if you don't have an account, of course, you can pay with your debit card, Apple Pay, or Google account. You can also pay by or make a payment by phone. So we can call this number over here, or as I said earlier, text this number over here. You can also do it in person, so you can pay cash at an Oportun location. Okay, so if I click over here, you'll be able to see all your locations. You can check them out on your computer as well. You can check them out on their website. They're available. And then as you can see, there's also one more option. This is via mail. So you can write your loan number on a check or money order and send to this address over here. And you have to allow at least 7 to 10 business days for delivery. So if you have any further questions, I would recommend you actually emailing them on this email over here, which is their contact email, or just straight up calling them via this contact number over here, and they will explain anything that you would like to know. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.